is Varun Kabra, and I'm a kid reporter for Scholastic Kids Press. I've written a lot of articles for young readers. I want to tell you a little about organizing an article. I wrote about Joe Whale, a 12-year-old boy from England who is known as the Doodle Boy. Joe got his nickname after a restaurant asked him to doodle on their walls. They posted his creations on Instagram, and the post went viral. Joe was later asked to illustrate a book by Scholastic called Bad Food, Game of Scones. After I interviewed Joe, I began to think about organizing my article. I made a list of information I had gathered about Joe, including who he is, where he's from, and what he's famous for. I also listened to the recording of my interview and wrote down the best quotes to use. Then I wrote my final draft. I like to revise my articles until they sound just right. I knew kids would want to know how Joe went from doodling at school to becoming a famous illustrator, so I put that information at the beginning of the article. Then I provided more details about Joe, including that he got in trouble for doodling at school and that he loves to draw aliens and monsters. I wanted kids to know that even though Joe has a unique talent, he's an ordinary kid, just like them. This was my final chance to make an impression on readers, so I decided to focus on something funny. I wrote about Joe's favorite scene to draw in Bad Food, Game of Scones. It's an epic food fight in the cafeteria. I hope I inspired readers to learn more about Joe and his doodles. Good luck with your article!